Let's be honest, Samsung's foldable game has been feeling a little underwhelming lately. The upgrades, kinda slow and not exactly mind-blowing. But hey, that might finally change next year. Word on the street is that the Galaxy Z Fold 7 could be in for a major glow-up in 2025. We're talking a better under-display camera and a tougher screen made from some fancy new layered materials. Sounds promising, right? Now, here's the thing. Samsung's been having a bit of a headache with its under-display camera tech. Not only is it tricky to get the performance just right, but keeping the cost in check has been a whole other battle. So while the Fold 7 is still expected to rock a UDC, rumors say Samsung's already exploring other options for future models. Funny enough, it looks like Samsung and Apple might finally agree on something for once. Both are reportedly cooling off on the whole under-display camera idea. If the whispers are true, we might not see a UDC in the Galaxy Z Fold 8 and beyond. Oh, and in case you missed it, TheGalox_ also confirmed that both the Galaxy Z Fold 7 and Z Flip 7 are set to launch with One UI 8 right out of the box. After the lukewarm response to One UI 7, fans are keeping their fingers crossed for something better with this new version. Samsung's not wasting time either. It looks like One UI 8 is lining up nicely with Android 16, which Google's aiming to roll out around June after some beta testing. Back to the Fold 7, there's talk that it's getting a bit of a size bump. The main screen could expand to a solid 8 inches, and the cover display might grow to 6.5 inches. For comparison, the Fold 6 rocks a 7.6-inch main screen and a 6.3-inch outer display. Not a massive jump, but hey, every inch counts. And here's something exciting. Camera buffs might be in for a treat. Rumors suggest the Fold 7 could come with a beefy 200-megapixel main camera. That's a massive leap from the current 50-megapixel sensor and could be a game-changer for mobile photography. Under the hood, expect the snappy new Snapdragon 8 Elite for Galaxy chip, plus a higher IP rating for even better dust and water resistance. The Fold 6 has an IP48 rating, so we're looking at even more rugged protection this time around. There's also chatter about a thinner design, possibly as slim as 4.5 millimeters when unfolded, and a cleaner, smoother fold with less of that annoying crease in the middle. And for the power users out there, the Fold 7 might come equipped with a bigger vapor chamber to keep things cool during heavy gaming or multitasking sessions. That means better thermal management and smoother performance over time. So, what are your thoughts on all these juicy Fold 7 rumors? Are you hyped, skeptical, or somewhere in between? Drop your expectations in the comments. We'd love to hear what you're hoping for. Catch you in the next one. Until then, stay safe.